Hello friends. Let me welcome you to our YouTube channel that has consistently helped technocrats to perform various IT tasks. If you are watching our video, you may have become familiar with the various techniques to recover corrupt data files, convert files, and even migrate data. Today, we will check an easy method to view your corrupt or healthy Exchange database files. If the Exchange server is not connecting with the database, it may be because of the corruption of EDB files. If you want to access the mailbox items, you need to wait to remove corruption. Then you need to mount the database to the live Exchange server. But there is free EDB Viewer software to view the contents of an Exchange database file without any difficulties. Kernel Exchange EDB Viewer first scans the file, then shows the entire mailboxes in their original hierarchy. It is an easy-to-use tool that helps you view EDB file data without Exchange server and MS Outlook. Because of its friendly interface and ease of use, experts consider the best Exchange Viewer tool in 2021. Kernel Exchange EDB Viewer is a simple and useful software that can make the inaccessible mailboxes accessible again. When you open the software, it will show the various sections for mailbox preview. Click Select EDB File. In the new wizard, click the Browse button. After browsing the database from its location, click the next option to choose the scanning method. There are two scanning modes, Standard and Advanced. You can choose any scanning method based on the severity of corruption. Click Finish. Now, you can choose any mailbox folder and view its items. The software will also enlist the folders of the mailbox in a separate section. You can view the data in any folder easily. With this tool, you can access the Exchange database without Exchange server or Outlook. This is the easiest method to view Exchange database files. Finally, thanks for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel to help us make more such videos. You should also comment, share, and like the video to help others. The complete information about the software is available on the website. Have a nice day.